Managing investor or donor relationships can make or break your organization's success. Whether you're running a nonprofit or managing investor portfolios, maintaining strong personalized connections is crucial. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage these relationships using CRM tools efficiently, so stick around until the end for an exclusive offer to help you follow along. Let's start by identifying why a CRM is your best tool for managing these relationships. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, helps you store important contact information, track interactions, and maintain detailed histories of your communications. This helps ensure that you never miss a follow-up, making it easier to manage and nurture relationships with your investors or donors. To begin, the first thing you need to do is input your contacts into the CRM. This might seem like a simple task, but it's essential to keep it organized. For investors or donors, you'll want to categorize them by type, investment level, or donation size. That way, when you need to send an update or thank you note, you can quickly pull up relevant contacts with just a few clicks. Next, set up custom fields to track unique details for each investor or donor. For example, you might want to record their preferred method of contact, specific interests, or important dates, like their donation anniversary. This way, you can personalize your communications and ensure your relationship feels meaningful, not transactional. Once you've got your contacts organized, it's time to track all your interactions. A CRM makes this easy by letting you log phone calls, meetings, emails, and notes all in one place. This is incredibly useful, especially for keeping track of multiple investors or donors and ensuring no important conversation slips through the cracks. You can also schedule reminders for follow-ups to make sure you stay on top of your communications. Now let's talk about segmentation. This is one of the most powerful aspects of a CRM. Segmentation allows you to group investors or donors based on specific criteria like interest or engagement level. This is perfect for creating tailored campaigns. For example, if you're sending a quarterly update, you can easily target those who are more actively involved with your project or those who've made larger investments. This level of personalization can go a long way in strengthening your relationship and increasing engagement. CRM tools also offer automation features that can save you time. You can set up automatic emails or reminders to send updates, thank you notes, or annual reports. This helps you stay in touch with your investors or donors regularly, even when you're busy with other tasks. The ability to automate your follow-ups ensures no one gets forgotten and your communication remains consistent. Finally, analyze the data. A CRM can generate reports on how often you've contacted each investor or donor and the nature of those interactions. You can track progress, see which relationships need more attention, and adjust your strategy accordingly. If you see an investor hasn't been contacted in a while, you can use the CRM to trigger a follow-up, keeping them engaged and informed. So, what's the key takeaway? Managing investor or donor relationships with CRM tools is all about organization, personalization, and consistent communication. The software allows you to store contact details, track interactions, segment your audience for more targeted outreach, and automate follow-ups to save you time. If you want to follow along and get started with a CRM today, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is available only to viewers of my channel and will help you get up and running quickly. Let's quickly recap the main points. Organize your contacts, set up custom fields, track interactions, segment your audience, automate communications, and use the data to refine your approach. By doing this, you'll ensure your investor or donor relationships are managed effectively, helping your organization thrive. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below and start managing your relationships more efficiently today. Thanks for watching.